Alright, this is lesson 5, solving rational equations, problems numbers 3 and 4. And if you want to go ahead and try some of these by yourself, you can pause the video. But what we're going to do is we're going to try to get a common denominator. It looks like I've got x here, I can get that a denominator of x. 1 is the same as x over x. So I'll be able to put these together. That'll be nice. X minus 6 over x equals, and this is going to be x plus 4 plus another x, so that's going to be 2x plus 4 over x. And then we're going to cross multiply. So this is going to be x times x minus 6. If I multiply that way and then multiply this way, I get x times 2x plus 4. And I'll distribute. Plus 4x. And then I need to get everything to the same side. So subtract x squared and add 6x. So I get 0 equals x squared plus 10x, and then I'll do my greatest common factor of x. Alright, x equals 0 and x equals negative 10. Can't be x equals 0, right? So we'll throw that one out. X equals negative 10 should work. I shouldn't have a problem plugging in negative 10 here or here. So x equals negative 10 works. If you want to check it, we can. We got negative 10 minus 6 over negative 10. That's 1.6 equals negative 10 plus 4 over negative 10. 0.6 plus 1, because that's what that originally was. That is totally true. So x does equal negative 10. Alright. Let's look at number 4. Now number 4, we need to find a greatest common, a common denominator. Here and here I don't have a problem. I've got to figure out how am I going to make this look like this. Sorry, how am I going to make this look like this? So I can multiply by x. So I'm going to multiply this by x over x, because x times x is x squared, and x times negative 3 is negative 3x. So that means I have x over 1 over x squared minus 3x equals 3 over x squared minus 3x minus, and then I'm going to go ahead and multiply. I'm going to get x over x squared minus 3x. Alright, we're going to get these two fractions together as 1. So I'm going to have 1 over x squared minus 3x equals, and here I've got x squared minus 3x, 3 minus x. Alright, now I'm going to show you a little trick, a little shortcut. You can still do this whole cross multiply thing if you like, but because the denominators are the same, I can really just work with the numerators, because I can't use 0. 0 is going to be one of the things that I'm going to get if I do my little cross multiplying thing. So just like when we had the bases with the variable and the exponent, and we were able to say, well, if the bases are the same, the exponents are the same thing goes here. If my denominators are the same, my numerators have to be the same. So I really can just work with 1 equals 3 minus x. So negative 2 equals negative x, so that means that x equals 2. So we can check it in case you don't believe me. Let's see. We've got 1 over 2 squared minus 3 times 2. So that's going to be negative 0.5. 3 over 2 squared minus 3 times 2. Negative 1.5, and then minus 1 over 2 minus 3 is negative 1. If I do keep change, negative 1.5 plus 1 is negative 0.5. So this does check out. So that's a little shortcut if you want to do that. Remember, your denominators have to be exactly the same. So that's where finding a common denominator for all throughout makes this a little bit easier.